Africa has an abundance of raw materials like coconut, onion, chili, tomato, etc., but there's a gap in proper packaging. This presents a massive business opportunity for anyone interested. Contact me for any help needed. Africa is home to an incredible variety of raw materials, including coconut, tomatoes, chili, and onions, among many others. These materials are often harvested in abundance, but due to poor packaging infrastructure, a significant amount of them go to waste or are sold at lower prices. In many cases, products like tomato paste, chili powder, or coconut milk are packaged in substandard materials, which limits their shelf life and market appeal. By improving packaging processes, African entrepreneurs can increase the value of local products, make them more competitive both locally and internationally, and capitalize on the growing demand for African exports. For example, in food packaging. Coconut oil or milk can be packaged in glass bottles or Tetra Paks for a premium appearance and longer shelf life. Dried chili or chili powder can be sealed in attractive sachets or bottles for retail sales. Address common challenges faced by entrepreneurs in Africa, such as infrastructure limitations and limited access to capital, and discuss potential solutions. Each product type, solids, powders, and liquids, requires specific machines designed to efficiently package them in a way that ensures durability, freshness, and market appeal. Here's a deeper explanation of these machines. Vertical Form Fill Seal Machine, VFFS. This machine creates a pouch from a roll of film, fills it with the product, e.g. dried plantains or coconut, and seals the bag. It's one of the most efficient machines for packaging solid products quickly. Vacuum Packaging Machine. This machine removes air from the packaging and seals it, which is essential for products like nuts or dried coconut flakes. Vacuum sealing extends shelf life by preventing oxidation. Powder Filling Machine. These machines dispense measured amounts of powder into bags or jars, ensuring precise filling and avoiding spillage. It's ideal for spices like chili powder and onion powder. Sachet Packaging Machine. This machine is ideal for small packets of powdered products like spices or flour. It's used to create small sachets that can be sold individually or in bulk packs. Liquid Filling Machine. This machine fills bottles or pouches with liquid products. It can be used for everything from tomato paste to sauces and oils. It's versatile and can fill both glass and plastic bottles or pouches. Bottling Line Machine. For higher production volumes, a bottling line machine automates the process of filling, capping, and labeling bottles. This would be ideal for products like coconut milk or chili sauce. When choosing machines for your food packaging business, consider factors such as cost and budget. Machines can range from affordable semi-automatic machines to high-end fully automatic systems. For a startup, semi-automatic machines may be a more feasible option until you scale up. Product type. Certain machines are better suited for specific products. For instance, sachet packaging machines work best for powdered spices, while vacuum packaging machines are ideal for dried foods like nuts. Production volume. If you're starting small, manual or semi-automatic machines may suffice. But for larger-scale operations, investing in fully automated machines will save time and increase efficiency. In Africa, each country has its regulations for food packaging and safety, but general certifications like HACCP, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, ISO, and FDA approvals for exports are often essential. These certifications show that your products meet international safety and quality standards, which is particularly important if you plan to export. HACCP certification. It's critical for businesses handling food to ensure the packaging process is clean, safe, and free from contamination. Export requirements. If you aim to export your products to markets like Europe or the USA, understanding their food packaging regulations is important for smooth entry into these markets. Africa's agricultural sector produces massive amounts of raw materials, but establishing relationships with local farmers and cooperatives is crucial for ensuring a steady and high-quality supply. For example, build long-term partnerships with farmers who grow coconuts, onions, and chili. Establish contracts with them to secure raw materials during harvest seasons. Consider working with farmer cooperatives to maintain a reliable supply chain. This not only ensures a steady supply, but also supports local communities, making your business sustainable and community-friendly. Choosing a location for your business is crucial. Consider proximity to raw material sources to reduce transportation costs, markets to streamline distribution, labor sources to hire skilled workers familiar with machine operation and packaging processes. When sourcing equipment, you can either buy locally, check for available machinery suppliers within Africa, import. If local machinery is not available or doesn't meet quality standards, importing packaging equipment from countries like China, India, or Europe may be necessary. Emphasize the availability of diverse raw materials in Africa, such as coconut, onion, chili, and tomato. Quality control. Discuss the importance of ensuring high-quality raw materials and implementing quality control measures. Value-added products. Explore opportunities to create value-added products by combining and processing raw materials. Target market identification. Discuss how to identify the ideal target market for your food products. Explore various distribution channels, such as supermarkets, local markets, and online platforms. Discuss effective marketing tactics, including social media, public relations, and partnerships. To succeed, you need to understand who you are selling to. Identify your market based on product type. Restaurants, supermarkets, and hotels will need properly packaged food products that are ready to use. International markets. There's a demand for African products, especially for exports to regions like Europe and the USA. Products like chili powder or coconut oil are especially in demand. Business plan development. Outline the key components of a comprehensive business plan. Discuss the importance of creating accurate financial projections, including revenue, expenses, and profitability. Explore different sources of funding, such as loans, grants, and investors. Packaging design is crucial. A well-designed package attracts consumers and builds trust in your product. Consider these. Ensure your products stand out on the shelves. Sustainability. Eco-friendly packaging is becoming increasingly important to consumers worldwide. This could give you a competitive advantage. In the digital age, promoting your products online is key. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to create buzz around your products. Consider setting up an e-commerce store where people can order directly. Collaborate with food influencers who can help promote your brand to a wider audience. Attend trade fairs to showcase your products, build networks with potential buyers, and establish partnerships with distributors, wholesalers, or online platforms. Offering competitive prices is vital, especially when entering a new market. You can offer promotions or bundle deals to attract more customers, use loyalty programs to retain customers, and encourage repeat purchases. As your business grows, it's important to increase production capacity and diversify your product lines. For example, if you start by packaging chili powder, you can expand into chili sauce or chili oil, adding value to your product line. Additionally, export opportunities can significantly boost your revenue. Ensure that you comply with the packaging standards of international markets and build relationships with distributors abroad. Africa's rich agricultural landscape produces vast quantities of raw materials, but often these resources are sold at a fraction of their potential value due to inadequate packaging and processing. Let's examine these raw materials in greater detail. Coconut. Found in coastal countries like Ghana, Ivory Coast, and Kenya, coconuts are used for producing coconut oil, milk, water, and even flour. With effective packaging, coconut products can be shipped internationally to meet the growing global demand for natural, organic foods. Onion. Onions are widely grown in many African countries. With proper dehydration and packaging, onions can be transformed into onion powder or flakes, ready for both local and international markets. Chili. Africa grows several types of chili peppers. Chili powder, chili flakes, and chili oil are in demand worldwide, especially in markets such as Europe and Asia. Efficient packaging ensures that these products remain fresh and appealing. Tomato. Countries like Nigeria and Egypt are among the largest producers of tomatoes. Packaging fresh tomatoes can be challenging, but transforming them into paste or sauce extends shelf life and opens up new market possibilities. By packaging these products in a way that adheres to international standards, African entrepreneurs can tap into global demand, exporting products to Europe, the USA, and even within Africa, where demand is growing. 2. Advanced packaging technologies. Understanding the different packaging technologies can significantly impact your business's efficiency and profitability. Here's a more technical dive into these technologies. 2.1. Flexible packaging for various product types. Flexible packaging materials, such as films, bags, and pouches, have become popular in food packaging because they are lightweight, cost-effective, and versatile.